Doesn't want.
Oh, get out. Alis. Sige, dali. Akyat. Yes, any more questions?
And then, Miss Tony, now that you are a mother, how has it changed you? How has it changed you being a mother? This is your first
It's like I'm a whole new person after Sevi. My priorities, my desires in life are all for Sevi, for my family, whatever is good for him, my schedule. Where's Mama? That's Sevi! That's your leg, that's Mama. Uy!
Careful, careful.
Yay! Okay, go to daddy. Go to daddy. It's okay. Yay! Okay, nahulog siya sa stage.